Hi, this video is going to be on symbolism and imagery. Now, imagery is best understood as figurative language that's used to describe something. So this helps to create an image in a reader's head of what the writer is trying to describe. So there's often lots of adjectives used here and often a lot of sensory words as well, and this helps the reader to relate what's being described into their understanding of the world. So an example of this is the steam hissed. So we know the steam isn't literally hissing like a cat would, but we understand that it's making a hissing-like sound, so we can understand what the writer is trying to tell us here. And then we also have symbolism, and symbolism is when we use words in place of something to describe a particular idea. So certain words have associations with them. So we have colours as a good example of this. So red, we commonly associate red with danger and sexuality, and we often commonly associate black with death or evil, and this is common in literature. And as your reading ability and understanding of literature and language grows, you'll be able to pick up on these common uses of symbolism. Thanks for listening.